Welcome to my channel, Profitable DIY Ideas, where creativity turns into income and simple ideas become something truly valuable. If you love DIY projects, home decor, and smart ways to create and earn, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Today, we're exploring home decoration ideas, covering home garden decor, outdoor decorations, and indoor decorating ideas that are simple to make, beautiful to use, and perfect for selling. Because a well-designed space starts with creative thinking, let's begin with home decoration ideas. You don't need expensive materials to create a beautiful home. Simple, well-made pieces can completely transform your space. Focus on items that are both decorative and useful. This adds value to your work. Now let's talk about home garden decor. Outdoor spaces are full of potential. Wooden planters, small seating areas, and simple decorative pieces can turn a basic garden into a relaxing and stylish place. Using reclaimed or rustic wood adds warmth and character to your designs. Outdoor decorations should feel natural and durable. Think of wooden lanterns, garden signs, or wall-mounted plant holders. These are easy to make and always in demand. Adding lighting elements can also create a beautiful atmosphere in the evening. Next, let's move to indoor decor. Inside the home, focus on smaller items that are practical and stylish. Wall shelves, key holders, decorative trays, and storage organizers are all great options. These items are not only useful, but also easy to sell. Wall decor is especially important indoors. Rustic wood panels, simple frames, or geometric designs can instantly change the look of a room. Keep your designs clean and balanced for a more modern and elegant feel. Now let's connect indoor and outdoor design. When you use similar materials and styles, your home feels more unified. For example, using the same type of wood finish both inside and outside creates a consistent and professional look. And of course, let's talk about profit. These projects are not just for decoration. They are products you can sell. Start small, create a few designs, and share them online or in local markets. Focus on quality and presentation, and your work will stand out. Also, keep your workspace organized. A clean setup helps you work faster, stay focused, and produce better results every day. At the end of the day, decorating is not just about making things look good. It's about creating something meaningful from simple materials. Thank you for spending time with me here on Profitable DIY Ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss more ideas that can turn creativity into real income. And before you go, make sure to watch the next video on your screen. Your next profitable decor idea might be waiting for you right there.